Good morning, third grade. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. That's my washer. I'll just try to talk loud. I want to first start by going over the problem solving from yesterday. On yesterday's problem solving, it took Kevin's problem and it said, what's the error? Kevin is solving perimeter problems and he counts the units and says that the perimeter of the shape is 22 units. When you actually number them out, Kevin forgot this side and this side. So the number of the units was 24. He missed the 2 units right here and right here. Okay. Today on 11-2, our essential question is, how can you measure perimeter? You can estimate and measure perimeter in standard units such as inches and centimeters. Find the perimeter of the cover of a notebook. So just look at a notebook, and the first thing we're going to do is estimate the cover of a notebook. And you're probably thinking, how can I estimate that? But when you stop and think about it, the average size paper is 11 by 12 or 10 by 12. So estimate using about how much it normally is. So I put 40 inches. Then use an inch ruler to measure the length of each side of your notebook, and I'm just using a standard notebook like he's got, to the nearest inch. Record and add the lengths of the sides measured to the nearest inch. So 9 plus 12 plus 9 plus 12 plus 9. 2 9s, 2 12s equals 42. So the perimeter of the notebook cover measured to the nearest inch is 42 inches. Now on your next one, it says use an inch ruler to find the length of each side. Now, if you don't have an inch ruler, you can always estimate. The side here is 1 inch. This side is 2 inches, 1 inch, and then 2 inches, which means it's 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 equals 6. On the next one, it's a square, so all of them are the same size. So if you add the links all together, and I don't think that's correct. Oh, they're asking for centimeters. Now, if your ruler doesn't have a centimeter on it, 1 centimeter compared to 1 inch is about 2.4 centimeters. So each side of our square is 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12 centimeters. Now on the back on Share and Show, it says find the perimeter of the triangle in inches. 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch equals 3 inches. Again, if you don't have a ruler, look at this. That's about an inch. Use that on the rest of your shapes to give a good idea. Now the next one is a centimeter, and the one on the back that we just did, if you think about this one being 3 centimeters, flip that over and look at this 4 centimeters. Now if you're using your centimeter ruler, this is 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and 3 plus 3 is 6, and 8 and 6 is 14. And on this one, it is 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters equals 13 centimeters. Now we're back to using an inch ruler here. 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 2 inches equals 8 inches. And here we're still using the inch ruler. 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 1 inch equals 7 inches. The next one on your own is use a ruler to find the perimeter. 2 inches plus 3 inches plus 2 inches plus 3 inches is 10 inches. Next one is a centimeter ruler. 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus this one is 2 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters, 1 centimeter plus 5 centimeters, 16 centimeters. Now, on the problem 8, it says use the grid paper to draw a shape that has a perimeter of 24 centimeters. The easiest one to do would be a rectangle with 2 sides on top that are the same length and 2 sides that are the same length. And I gave you some numbers you could do. You could do 3 by 8, so 2 sides would be 3 inches and 2 sides would be 8 inches, right? Or you could do a 4 by 6 or a 2 by 12. Have fun with this one. When you're done with that, do the problem solving on the back, and we will go over the problem solving tomorrow morning, and then do 11-2 in your PB book. Thank you.